Good morning to all of you. Today we have solved some problems. Now, first question: if alpha, beta, gamma are roots of equations x cube minus 3x square plus 1 equal to 0. If alpha, beta, gamma are roots of these equations, form a cube whose roots are this. फॉर्म में क्यूब एक ऐसा क्यूब बनता है जिसका रूट अल्फा बाई अल्फा माइनस 2, बीटा बाई बीटा माइनस 2, गामा बाई गामा माइनस 2 है. देन फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ अल्फा माइनस 2, बीटा माइनस 2 एंड गामा माइनस 2. तो हमें जो है अल्फा माइनस 2, बीटा माइनस 2 एंड गामा माइनस 2 का मान ज्ञात करना है. इट मींस दैट अल्फा बीटा आर रूट्स ऑफ दिस इक्वेशंस. देन एक ऐसा पॉलिनोमियल बनाता है जिसका रूट जो है यह है. उस परिस्थिति में हमको जो है अल्फा माइनस 2, बीटा माइनस 2 एंड गामा माइनस 2 का मान ज्ञात करना है. वी लेट अल्फा दिस रूट्स are alpha by alpha minus 2. Now let us suppose that t equal to alpha divided by alpha minus 2. We transpose the roots. Then t by cross multiplication t alpha minus 2t equal to alpha, and we transfer alpha here and take alpha common t minus 1, and this equal to 2t, so that alpha equal to 2t by t minus 1. Putting this in the given polynomial x cube minus 3x square plus 1 equal to 0, x that alpha beta gamma are the roots of this, so that replace x by alpha, beta or gamma, and if we put the x equal to alpha, that alpha equal to 2t by t minus 1, then here 2t by t minus 1 cube minus 3 t square and 2t divided by t minus 1 and plus 1 equal to 0. Now this is a cube. 2 to the 4 to the 8t cube divided by t minus 1 के power cube minus 3, 2 to the 4t square divided by t minus 1 का square and plus 1 equal to 0. Now 8t square, taking the LCM of t minus 1 के power cube here, 8t cube minus 4 3 are 12t square, and this is t minus 1 के power 2 and 3, here t minus 1 plus 1 t minus 1 का whole cube. Then 8t cube minus 12t cube and minus plus 12t square, and this is a minus b का whole square whole cube. a cube minus b cube minus 3ab equals to a minus b. At the same sense t cube 1 का cube minus 3ab and 3t in bracket में t minus 1, 8t cube and here 8t cube here and t cube 9t cube and minus 12t cube and minus 3t cube here, t square 12t square and 3 minus 12t square and here 3t square, that means that is a 9t square, that is a 9t square, and now 9t square plus 3t, this is minus 3t or minus plus 3t, and this is form the here minus 3t cube and also your 12t square and minus 3t square, that is plus 9t square plus 3t minus 1 equal to 0. Now, taking the negative sign, this become plus 3t cube minus 9t square minus 3t plus 1 equal to 0. This is the required polynomials, and required polynomials with transpose alpha into beta into gamma equal to minus 1, as we already here calculate its roots are alpha beta gamma equal to minus 1, that is equal to minus 1. Alpha means the transpose roots alpha by alpha minus 1, initial root alpha beta gamma, but the transfer roots alpha by alpha minus 2, beta by beta minus 2, gamma by gamma minus 2. This is given. Product of this equal to minus d by a ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Here product of roots equal to minus d by a. Here d equal to 1 and a is equal to 3 to minus 1 by 3, and alpha beta gamma product and alpha minus 2 beta minus 2 and gamma minus 2 equal to minus 1 by 3, and alpha beta gamma putting the value of this minus 1 and this implies that this comes here, and alpha minus 2 beta minus 2 and gamma minus 2 equal to negative plus, and that is plus 3. This is our answer. This is our answer. Now next problem. Now second problem, find a cubic expression whose roots are cube of roots of the equations x cube plus 3x square plus 2 equal to 0. हम लोग को ऐसा एक्सप्रेशन प्राप्त करना है जिसका रूट इसके रूट के क्यूब हो. It means that let us suppose that the roots are alpha, beta and gamma of this expression. By equations, roots of required equations is alpha cube, that is a cube, alpha cube, beta cube and gamma cube. Let us suppose that we transfer the root t equal to alpha cube. Now alpha equal to cubic root of 1 by third, alpha equal to t to the power 1 by third, and alpha beta gamma are root of this equation, so that putting the value of x, alpha, beta and gamma, this here alpha equal to in the form of t, alpha equal to t to the power 1 by third, here x can replace by t to the power 1 by third plus 3 x square t to the power 1 by third to power 2 plus 2. Here this is cube, this comes here 3 cancel, that is t, and plus 3 2 by 3 and plus 2. Now we remove the under root 3t के power 2 by 3 here, and this transfer the side minus t plus 2, cube it both side. 3 3 is 9, 3 is 27, and cube, that is 3 cancel, t square and minus t plus 2 के whole cube, that is 27 t square, and this become a plus b का whole square इक्वल टू a क्यूब प्लस b क्यूब प्लस 3ab ब्रैकेट में a plus b. In the similar things, t here t cube plus 2 to the 4 to the 8 plus 3 into ab t into 2 ब्रैकेट में t plus 2. Here 27 t square and this t cube, this is negative, this 3 to the 6t and t, 6t square minus 6t square, and that is 3 to the 6, 12, 6 to the 12, that is t, and this become negative. So that all the expression transfer the side here plus t cube, and here this comes here plus 6 and 27 33 t square, and here minus 12 t here plus 12t, and minus also again plus 8 equal to 0. This is required cube. This is a required cube whose roots are alpha cube, beta cube, and gamma cube. Answer. Now, next problem. Now, in this problem, if a quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 has more than two roots, then it becomes an identity. It means that this is a quadratic equations, and power of x equal to 2, so that its roots become only 2, but here more than 2 roots, then that roots become identity we have so here. Now let us suppose that x square plus bx plus c equal to 0. This is a quadratic equations, and its left alpha, beta, and gamma are the 3 roots. More than 2 roots. We consider third root gamma. This is distinct root. Distinct means alag, different root. Alpha, beta, and gamma. Gamma don't equal to each other. So that alpha root of this, putting the value of the x, alpha, beta, and gamma, we get the relations a alpha square plus b alpha plus c equal to 0, a beta square plus b beta plus c equal to 0, and a gamma square b gamma plus c equal to 0. That is equation 1, 2, and 3. Now we subtract 1 by 2, 1 by 2. This is a alpha square minus beta square, b alpha minus beta, and c cancels, that is 0. Now alpha square minus beta square can be written as in one bracket alpha plus beta and other bracket alpha plus beta, so that we take a common alpha minus beta, here a and alpha plus beta, and here only b. We get these relations, but alpha beta are distinct, and alpha minus beta does not equal to 0, so that this term equal to 0. Similarly, this is relation 4, and similarly we consider relation 2 and 3, we get result a beta plus gamma plus b equal to 0. Now after solving this 4 minus 5, relation 4 minus 5, a alpha plus a beta minus a beta, a gamma, bb also cancel, here plus a beta and a beta cancel, a alpha and a gamma, here take a common, and alpha minus beta equal to 0, but alpha minus beta does not equal to 0, so that a equal to leading coefficient, that is equal to 0. Now putting this value in equation 4, this becomes 0, so that b is also 0 and c is also 0. Thus far every value of x के प्रत्येक मान के लिए polynomial is true, x के प्रत्येक मान के लिए polynomial is true, and so any quadratic equations which have more than 2 roots, that become identity root. It means that if you consider more than 2 roots for the quadratic equation 3, 4, 5, that becomes identity the root. Now Now question 4, for what values of p the equations p plus 2 p minus 1 x square plus p plus 1 2 p plus 1 x plus p square minus 1 equal to 0 has more than two roots. Has more than two roots, and we have to calculate the what value of p. We calculate the value of p. Identity a equal to 0, b equal to 0, c equal to 0 एक साथ लेने पर if we put a equal to 0 for a equal to 0 we put this in the polynomial p plus 2 p minus 1 x square plus p plus 1 2p plus 1 x plus p square minus 1 equal to 0. Here we take a equal to 0. Now for what value of p the equations this and this has more than two roots. For identity a is equal to 0, b is equal to 0 and c is equal to 0, taking at same positions. Now given polynomial p plus 2 p minus 1 x square p minus 1 2p plus 1 x and p square minus 1 equal to 0. For a is equal to 0, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. This is our standard form. For a is equal to 0, it means that coefficient of x square equal to 0, coefficient of x square p plus 2 and p minus 1 equal to 0. It means that if p plus 2 equal to 0, p equal to minus 2, and if p minus 1 equal to 0, p is equal to 1. Here for a equal to 0, this becomes 0. If p plus 2 is equal to 0, p is equal to minus 2 and p equal to 1. Now for b is equal to 0, b is the coefficient of x, so that coefficient of x this p minus 1 2p plus 1 equal to 0, p minus 1 equal to 0, it means that p is equal to 1 and this p equal to minus half. And similarly for c equal to 0, c equal to 0, it means that this becomes 0, so that p is equal to 1. Now common value of p, here common value of p minus 2 1 minus half and this is 1, so that common value of p where a equal to 0 and b equal to 0 and c equal to 0, so that the required value of p equal to 1. Answer. Now location of roots. Here we have discussed about the location of roots. Always make the leading coefficient of quadratic equation positive, so that here type 1, if both roots of quadratic equation are greater than a specified number d. Now take a point d, that here if both roots of quadratic equation are greater than the specified number d, this point is d, this point is d. In this case the necessary and sufficient condition, we solve the problem d greater than equal to 0. In this case, d greater than equal to 0, fd greater than 0, and minus b by 2a also greater than 0. But in type 2, if both root of the quadratic equation are less than d, it means that this is a d and this is d, and the that roots less than d, here all the numbers decreasing orders, so that in this case, if the such type of condition occurs, in this case d greater than equal to 0, fd greater than 0, but minus b by 2a is less than our specified number d. Now we take a problem. Now find all value of a for which both roots of equation this exceed 3. It means that greater than exceed 3 greater than 3. Now given polynomial x square minus 6ax plus bracket में 2 minus 2a plus 9a square equal to 0. For this we have the condition d greater than equal to 0, f3 greater than 0, and x coordinate of the vertex minus b by 2a. Under these conditions, we solve and get the common value, that is our answer. If d greater than equal to 0, d means b square, d equal to what? B square minus 4ac, that is d. B the coefficient of s, where here 6a, b square 6a, 36a square minus 4a equal to 1, and c equal to this term and this term. 36a square minus 4 2 is 8, and 4 2 is 8, minus minus plus, and this is become minus 4 9 is 36a square. This and this cancel, and here 8a, this comes this side and greater than a greater than equal to 1. This we get the first relation with the first conditions, and second f3, putting the value of x in this 3, we get the 3 square and 6a into 3, 18a, and this type here 9a square minus 20a plus 11 greater than 0. Now we factorize it. 9a square 11 199, 11 of either plus, then 11 plus 9 barabar 20, and after the this here 9a square minus 11a minus 9a plus 11. Here minus 11a minus 9a to minus 20a plus 11. Here common a 9a minus 11 and minus 1 9a minus 11. Here no change. Now in this case 9a minus 11 and a minus 1. A minus 1. If you factorize this, we get 9a minus 11 and a minus 1 greater than 0, so that a belongs here. If we put this in the real lines, a belongs minus a equal to 1, that is becomes greater than, if I take the positive regions, and minus infinity to 1 union 11 by plus infinity. And now third condition, x coordinate of vertex minus b by a minus b equal to minus 6a by a equal to 2 into a equal to 1 here. Now it means that this is positive to 3a is greater than 3a is greater than d, that is greater than b, so that on dividing 3 we get a greater than d 1. Now we plot these three conditions on this here, this region, this region, and we take here this region, and minus 11 by a greater than 1, a equal to 1, a greater than 1 and equal to 1, a, and this is a greater than 1, a greater than 1, and next conditions, a belongs minus 11 by 9, this is minus 11 by 9 and up to infinity, so that we take, so that common solution will be a belongs 11 by 9 to up to infinity. This is our required result. Now next problem, if both root of quadratic equations x square minus 2kx plus k square plus k minus 5 equal to 0 are less than 5, this is less than 5, then k lie down 0.45 minus infinity 4, 6 infinity and 5 6. Now we have three conditions. Condition first, d greater than equal to 0, d means b square minus 4ac greater than 0, b is equal to coefficient of s, that is minus 2k, 4k square minus 4, a equal to 1, c equal to k square plus k minus 5, and this and this cancel, and that is minus 4k minus plus 20 greater than equal to 0. Now on dividing 4, minus k plus 5 greater than equal to 0, 5 this transfer here, and 5 less than equal to k less than equal to 5 and k less than equal to 5. Now condition second, ft greater than 0, it means that d is equal to 5. We have 5 putting in the quadratic equations, we get after k square minus 9k plus 20 and 20k square minus 9k plus 20, 5 for the 20, k square minus 5k minus 4k plus 20. Here k is common, k minus 5 and minus 4 is common, k minus 5. K minus 5 also take common, then k minus 4. And putting k minus here k minus 4 and k minus 5 greater than, putting this k minus 4 equal to 0, k equal to 4 and k equal to 5. Now we plot, and k belongs to minus infinity to 4, and this is greater than, and take positive regions, and 5 to infinity. Now third conditions, x coordinate might be minus b by 2a minus b means here b equal to minus 2k, put this and 2 into a equal to 1, this and this can be cancelled, k less than equal to 5, so that we plot these points. First k less than equal to 5, k less than equal to 5, these regions, and these regions minus infinity to 4, minus infinity to 4, this region, and 5 to this region, plus infinity, and here also k less than 5, k less than 5, this region. Now take the common region, this region, here, and this point, so that this means minus infinity to 4, where k belongs. This is our required result. Now like and subscribe video and share with friends. Thank you.